In this section, we are going to explain one of the transport layer protocol, User Datagram Protocol, UDP. UDP, User Datagram Protocol, is a connectionless transport protocol used in the Internet. UDP is used to send encapsulated datagrams without having to establish a connection. UDP is described in IFC 768. Many client-server applications, such like DNS, that have one request and one response, uses UDP. But you may wonder, UDP is unreliable, it is connectionless. Why the applications still want to use UDP? Yes, UDP is an unreliable protocol, but compare with other reliable protocols such like TCP. UDP has a very significant advantage, which is the processing time. UDP is a very fast protocol. For the applications which care more about efficiency than the reliability, UDP is a better choice. Let's look at UDP header. UDP transmits segments consisting of an 8-byte header followed by the payload. There are only 4 fields in UDP header: UDP length, UDP checksum, source port, and destination port. The UDP length field includes the 8-byte header and the data. The UDP checksum is optional and stored as 0 if not computed. A true computed 0 is stored as all ones. It should be noted that the advantage of UDP over IP packets is the use of source and destination ports. The port number is 16-bit long. 16 bits can result in 2 power 16 port numbers, which is more than 60,000 port numbers. To be more accurately, the port number range from 0 to 65,535. The port less than 255 are standard ports. The port between 255 and 1023 are reserved for applications. The port number larger than 123 are free ports. For free port numbers, they can be locally assigned. It can even be used as random port dynamically. Here, we list some famous reserved UDP ports for well-known applications. For example, in this diagram, the application DNS by default will use port 53. This is specified by international standard. Both transport layer protocols, UDP and TCP, involve something called pseudo header. The pseudo header is 12-bit. It includes source address and the destination address, which takes 8 bytes. A protocol field in the pseudo header specifies whether it is followed by UDP or TCP header. Another field specifies the segment length of UDP or TCP. UDP checksum is computed on both pseudo header and the UDP header. But again, the checksum is an optional. As an unreliable protocol, sometimes applications just leave the checksum field as default or zeros. So that is the introduction to UDP. It is the end of this section. Thank you.